Let's talk about having your pre-listing inspections done. My name's Alex, I'm with eXp Realty, and I've been in the market for 20 years. And advice I give to my sellers is have your inspections done before you list the property. I want to talk about that today. Why is it important to have a pest inspection done and a whole house inspection? Sometimes a roof inspection, sometimes an HVAC inspection. The reason you want to have these done is because when you list that property, you want to list that property and you want to tell the buyers what its true condition is when they make the offer. That way, once the offer is accepted and the buyer goes in and has their inspections done, you're not hit with any surprises. I want to jump in and take a look at a presentation that was given to us recently by a home inspection company, and they gave us examples, extreme examples of how this is beneficial. This is a house in Wexford, really nice area of Granite Bay. And this is what the home inspector saw going in. And he noted there was rust on this window. There was some settling going on. This is inside. There was a windowsill that had shown that it had moved a little bit. And this cued him in to say, look, we need further inspection done. And when they got into this further inspection, this is the front of the house here. And the damage is in this area. And as we move forward with this presentation, it was pretty alarming what they had found in this house. Here's the clip right here. The damage in this house was extensive. When they did the further inspection on this house, this is what they ended up doing. They ended up having to take the fascia off the front of this house because they had this dry rot that had been going on for years. Apparently, it came in from the roof, had penetrated down through, deteriorated the front of the property. Absolute disaster. If you didn't have your pre-inspection done and you were the seller of this house, you would be in the same shoes as this guy. Fortunately, this guy had money. He came in and he paid the inspection company to go in and fix this whole thing. But what a disaster. Ended up delaying the close of escrow by several months. And if he had his pre-listing inspections done, this would have come up. And this is important. This is why you want to have this done. This is what it looked like when they finished. You can see there's a little bit of discoloration in the bricks because they had to change over and use different bricks. Here's another example of a property. This is a standard production home, and the property had leaked up at the roof line and leaked all the way down this wall, and it came up in the home inspection, and again, ended up delaying escrow by a couple of months because they had to go in and get the work done. The seller had the means to get the work done. They worked it out. Everything was taken care of. But these are two extreme examples of why you need to have your pre-listing inspections done. It puts you in a better negotiation spot as a seller. And if you come in and have the pre-listing inspections done and there's major issues, then you can build that into your listing. It doesn't have to be a negative, but if it pops up unexpectedly, that's when it becomes an issue. So I hope you find this useful. If you're getting ready to list your house and need home inspector referrals, just hit me up. I have a group of home inspectors, pest inspectors, HVAC, roof that I've worked with for years. I know, like, and trust them, and I would have no problem referring them on to you. So I hope you found this useful. If you have any other questions, just hit me up, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.